I'm sure it doesn't grow there.
The flowers?
Yeah. That and the sandals, right? If you find the flip-flops, you know you're on the way.
So the trickiest thing out here. Totally catch up. So as we're starting it up, let y'all know, I'm originally from New Hampshire, known as the Granite State, where the state motto is live free or die. No option in between. I moved to Hawaii. Not exactly living free, but I say I'm living. Better than dying. So, I've been on this island. As beautiful as the vines are, you can't quite see the tree that they're growing on. Might be a beautiful rare species, but it's killing it all. Right after this tall grass, guys, we'll be on a pathway. Nice scraping there.
Say cheese.
This is pretty dirty.
Where's it what? Where? Somewhere, I think it's the tree that's actually... The mango species, they say the first species
What is that?
of mango were introduced about 200 years ago.
Yeah, we can jump in the water.
Many different... With a bunch of lava flowing still.
I got that on camera.
What's this on?
Wow.
There was a
Can you go back to the
I would assume so. Tim!
On the island, I'll say, other than a snake. Really cool vine here, though. Wanted to tell you, this is a natural species. If you see any more of these on the island, this is a true natural species to the Hawaiian Islands, known as sea bean. Big old anaconda vine we call out here, though. But sea bean, like ocean, sea. No lions, tigers, bears. Oh my! No venomous snakes. No alligator. Those man-eating snakes like anaconda or python. No porcupine, no skunk, no raccoon, no squirrels, no coyotes, no foxes. Went on back to Britain. Came on back for another journey with a European pig. Gave the Hawaiians European pig. The mongoose eat up the chickens, eat up the birds on the other isles.